Our group chief take us to the verde. Umpire 1, Richard Carpio. And umpire 2, Brian Ramirez. Substitute referee.
Pangasinan starts with Hesed Gabo, Mike De Gregorio, Mike Mabulak, Alin Bulanadi, and Jory Napoles. Jason Brickman, Mike Ayanayan, Jay Chu, Raymond Gonzalez, and David Defonso will start for the Abra Solid North Weavers, gunning for a 2-0 lead here in Game 2 here in Banguet. We have our officiating crew. Jay Casoverde, Richard Carpio, Brian Ramirez, and the substitute referee is J.R. Francisco.
Well, pretty much the starters ng Heat Waves. The very same 5 that started game number 1. And ang ganda rin ang kombinasyon ng bigs talaga nitong Abra Weavers. J.H.U. Raven Gonzalez, and you have David Defonso at number 3.
Raven Gonzalez, labas kay Ayon for the 3. Yes! He's found his groove. Ito si Mike Ayanayan, and it just spells danger to everyone in the way of the Abra Solid North Weavers here in the playoffs.
At saka nakikita mo yung pagpasa rin ng mga big man like Raven Gonzalez, understanding na may shooter ako dito, pwede kong pasahan, makakashoot rin ito.
De Gregorio misses the corner 3. Ayanayan foot on the line. Mabulak with a rebound. Hesed. They go to Mabulak. Bulanadi, the fake. The pass to Mabulak, easy 2.
Well, sa depensa ng Abra Weavers, isa na yan kapareho nung first quarter in game number 1. Naiiwan na libre ito si Mike Mabulak. At sigurado ako na susubukan niya makabawi dito sa game number 2 para sa Heat Waves.
El Defonso will launch the 3. Look at Mabulak banging bodies with J.H.U. He grabs the rebound, picks up his dribble, he goes to Napoles. Jory against Chu, there's a double team. Napoles keeps it alive. Gabo finds Jory Napoles. Look what I found.
Mo, isa sa mga bagay na nangyari nung game number 1. Isang attempt lang to si Jory Napoles. Unbelievable na isang beses lang nag-attempt at hindi pa bumasket yun. Kaya ito napakahalaga na makita niya yung bola na yan na pumasok para sa kanila.
El Defonso with the bump. 0 for 2 to start the game for David Defonso. Bulanadi gets some separation on that 3. He misses though.
Might have traveled though on that last move by Bulanadi.
Brickman to Ayanayan. Nandun si Bulanadi nakabantay. El Defonso has it. 8 seconds. Dave 0 for 3 so far.
So far, they've been finding success sa depensa ni Mike De Gregorio against dito kay Dave El Defonso. And right there, gusto mo yan. Makita mo si Jory Napoles maging active, maging aggressive na atakihin yung loob against the defense of the big men of the Weavers.
Hindi pa nakaset ang depensa doon. Nandun na agad si Jory Napoles.
Actually, isa yan sa mga bagay na gusto nilang gawin in game number 1. Pero nakikita mo yung medyo tense yung first quarter ng game number 1. And so, late na, nakakuha ng magandang rhythm yung both teams, and to which Abra Weavers na nagkaroon ng maganda in the second quarter.
Hirap din talaga, no? Pag nag-start ka ng game na medyo tight ka.
Oh, yeah.
And medyo sila, they're looking loose, but I think yung level of focus is there.
Agree. Yun talaga eh. Hindi nawawala yung focus. Looser compared to game number 1, pero the focus remains the same.
Here's Napoles, puts the ball on the deck. That's a tough move. And 2 free throws coming up. And Jory Napoles is a problem off the bounce para sa big man dito ng Abra.
At saka kung patuloy na magiging nakababa yung depensa ni J.H.U. na inaabangan siya sa loob ng paint, either titirahan ka niyan sa labas or may separation ka para umatake pababa.
Yun nga eh, medyo malaki yung gap no? Binibigay nila kay Jory para sa at drive to the basket.
Which is ganun din yung binigay nila nung game number 1. Pero ang difference, ito si Jory ngayon, umaatake. Yun ang kinaiba.
7-3, early lead here for Pangasinan. Brickman gets it to Ayanayan. Mike. Ayanayan with a jumper. That is money for Mike.
Nakausap ko si Coach Gerson, one of the conversations, sabi niya, yung recovery doon sa mga two-man action na nangyayari, doon kami nahuhuli. And so far, ganun pa rin naging sitwasyon doon sa tira na ni Mike Ayon.
Napoles off the mark. Had an open Mike Mabulak. And Napoles tried to fight for position against Jay Chu. He is whistled for the foul.
Naka-ready na kasi si Jay Chu para i-claim yung loob ng paint. Size-wise advantage para sa kanya.
Tumama yung pick doon No? Tagal nakabalik ni Alin Bulanadi.
Yeah. Doon sila nahirapan din yung paghabol sa ibabaw ng screen kaya nagiging late. Ito, maganda naging recovery para sa Heatwaves.
Well, nice help there galing kay
yes.
De Gregorio. Bulanadi scores over Ayon.
And look for itong mga Heatwaves na magkaroon ng better adjustments pagdating sa two-man game action. Talagang ensure nila na may tao sa harapan ng bawat player na mayroong bola.
Double foul on Mike Mabulak and Jay Chu.
Laban na sa pwesto sa ilalim.
Fast break of the game is brought to you by Extreme X-Pop Personal Karaoke Speaker Everyday Karaoke.
So unlike dun sa isang nangyari na diretsong nakakuha lang ng elbow jumper ito si Mike Ayon. Dito ang ganda ng pagkakahelp ni Mike De Gregorio. Naka-recover it led to that fast break para dito sa Heatwaves.
Maguliano is in the game and so is Alfred Batino. Ildefonso 0 for 4 to start the ball game, but Batino gets the offensive rebound. Gonzalez inside. That is a tough matchup para kay JP Maguliano.
Well, at the end of the day, it's still a 10-foot goal game. And kung meron kang malalaking katulad na ganyan, ganun kalapit, talagang magiging advantage at napaka-active nilang kumabol sa mga rebounds na yun.
Maguliano settles for that jumper. 9-7. Ayon. Gonzalez, good catch. Nabitawan ng bola. De Gregorio lost his balance there. Got blocked. Mabulak against Gonzalez. Mike, a great defense by Raven Gonzalez.
Kept staying right in front. Hindi binitawan si Mike doon.
Brickman goes to Batino. Gonzalez, no call.
No call. A lot of contact inside, pero other way, the Heatwaves on the run.
Oh, no call as well on the other side.
Officials letting them play.
Ildefonso. Ayon. Back out to Dave. Dave for 3. 0 for 5 for Dave Ildefonso.
Well, he's gotten nothing inside the paint. Almost everything, either from beyond the arc or within the perimeter. It's really yung depensa nito ni Mike De Gregorio na nakakauna dun sa pagpunta sa spot na gustong puntahan ni Dave Ildefonso. Tsaka nakaka-challenge ng tira, no?
Now, who would have thought that in this series, first 2 games of the series, that Mike De Gregorio would be impacting the game on the defensive end.
I clearly recall no una silang nagkita no sa regular season ang bumantay diyan. I think it was Harvey Pagsanhan that they put on him. But since Harvey's not available, I think that's when they considered Mike De Gregorio to step up.
Gabo versus Brickman. Bongga Lanza, Enzo Serrano is in the game. Nag-cut si Maguliano, very forceful inside.
Miscommunication yun sa depensa. Kita mo, nag-usap si Batino kagad tsaka si Enzo Serrano. Parang sinasabi ni Batino, hindi ko na kailangan ng double sa poste. Kaya na-libre yung time na yun para kay JP. And a good read right there by Vic Manuel.
That is the assist of the game, powered by 747 Live dito ka sa Legit.
Actually, may tumulong pa nga doon sa kabila pero nahuli pa rin dahil nga sa ganda nung pagkakadive at pagkakapasa na yun ni Vic Manuel.
6 assists already para dito sa Pangasinan. Oduba loses his footing, recovered by Brickman. Back to Oduba. Balik si Gabo kay Brickman. Encho Serrano may tangan ng bola against Bongalanza. Brickman, shot fake, lumapit, labas kay Serrano. Shot clock winding down na Blanca. Itong si Mike Ayonayon, great defense again for Pangasinan.
Oh, ibang klase intensity ng defense. Ang daming beses pumihit ng depensa pero na-challenge pa rin at tumama against that tira of the Weavers outside.
8 seconds to work with. Nag-cut si Robby, nabitawan ng bola. Ayonayon spins away, 3-on-1 break. Serrano scores off the glass and in.
Ganda ng pagkaka-timing ng ginawa na yun ni Serrano. Instead of going straight up, pinuntahan niya yun sa kabila to try and elude that defense, let it fly by, and then finish the other end.
Manuel. Lumapit si Vic Manuel. He draws the foul on Noduba.
Ganun nakabigat yung 3-point shooting ni Vic Manuel. Enough na puntahan mo siya sa labas at i-challenge mo yung tira niya. Ito yung fast break kanina of that steal and napakagandang panapos nito ni Encho Serrano underneath, allowing that defense of Galanza to really just get past before he made that shot.
Encho Serrano gunning for a 3rd straight MPBL title. Nobody has done it.
Oh, he's the first one to potentially have that.
Free throw of the game is brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
At isang napakalaking motivation para kay Encho Serrano niya.
Oh, and there are players here gunning for, you know, multiple, you know, magdo-double up na sa kanilang championship collection if ever. Ayonayon and Marquis as well.
Oh, yes.
I think Apolonio, Jason Apolonio.
Oh, yeah, Apolonius with the Weavers.
Yeah.
Right.
So,
oh, tama, tama.
gunning for second din yan.
Oh, tama.
Manuel against Oduba. Nag-help si Dave. Oduba. Gets it to Dave Ildefonso. Nandun si De Gregorio. That's a charge. Mike DG, I'm so glad you pointed out in the pre-game how he's defended Ildefonso here. Really has thrown him out of his rhythm.
Yeah, that's the thing with Mike De Gregorio. I mean, he's able to keep up with the speed at the same time absorb yung bunggo kung pagkakataon inside the paint against Dave Ildefonso.
We'll see here. There's a coach's challenge. Coach Yong Garcia, magbabalik kami 13-9 ng mga Pangasinan.
Call on the floor stays. Offensive foul on number 1, David Ildefonso.
So the call on the floor stays. David Ildefonso whistled for the charge. He was well prepared to absorb the contact here. Mike De Gregorio really moved his feet very well.
Beat him to that spot. Nauna na si Mike doon. Alam na niya yung projection ng galaw papunta sa kaliwa. So he chased that space and maganda nga doon na-absorb yung contact.
Manuel against Oduba. Manuel with a runner. It's short. Melencio trying to crash the offensive glass. Marwin Taiwan has the basketball for Abra. Taiwan to Ildefonso. It's a blocking foul.
That one definitely a blocking foul yan kay JP. Pero again, kung ikaw si Coach Gerson, nagugustuhan mo yung pag-rotate ng depensa. Unlike nung first game na talaga nga namang dismayado si Coach Gerson. Kaya ngayon nakikita mo ang response nitong mga players niya on the floor.
Hanggat andyan si Dave Ildefonso sa loob, andyan din si Mike De Gregorio. Encho, shot clock down. Taiwan airballs the 3. Nakuha ni Vic Manuel ang rebound.
Ibang klase ang depensa ng Heatwaves dito sa first quarter na ito.
Melencio gets it to Vic Manuel. Nice crossover by the muscle man. What a move! 4 points para kay Vic Manuel, but a spectacular move.
Did I just see Vic Manuel do a cross and drop Oduba on the floor and finish? Wow!
Ildefonso sees daylight.
But that time he got screened, kaya kinakausap ni Coach Gerson si Mike. You have to refuse to get screened. It's either unahan mo siya pataas or gumo-under ka na lang, salubungin mo siya sa kabila.
Melencio. Oh, Taiwan. Really quick. Oh, big block. Oduba is there. Crowd coming alive here. 4 straight points for the solid North Weavers. Galanza dumps it to Magoliano. Masyadong malakas ang tira niya.
Point blank, make a ball pero hindi pumasok. Kalimutan mo na yun. You have to move on and play the next possession para dito sa Heatwaves.
Serrano attacks and scores. We are tied at 15.
And then just seen enough of all the close-outs, all the missed shots. He's taking it right through the paint and finishing so much closer.
And see how Marwin Taiwan can change a game for you. That steal has pretty much sparked this run right here. Play of the game is brought to you by 747 Live. Dito ka sa legit. Your game, your chance, your thrill only with 747 Live.
Oh, kahit na tumulong pa doon in that drive on that drive for Encho, naitapos pa rin ni Encho. But to your point, yung pagpasok ni Marwin Taiwan, immediate na impact agad. Set the table, get the steal, run the other way. Ang ganda ng energy na binibigay niya para dito sa Abra Weavers.
Melencio nails the first free throw. A nice all-around performance in game 1. 6 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 steals. Misses the second free throw. Pangasinan with the lead by at 1 point. Nabra. The final possession of the first period. Ildefonso. Pinit ni Dave and really no choice right there para kay King Gortiza.
Chinaga eh.
Sasabit at sasabit ka talaga dyan.
At saka chinaga talaga ni Dave, ano? Multiple dribbles, inaatake niya hanggang sa nung it was close enough sa kanya tinira.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I have to get to the line.
Yeah. Excuse me.
And get my rhythm. 11 and 10 in game 1. A lane violation against Abra. Tied at 16. 3 seconds remaining. Jay Collado, Ralph Robin are in the game para dito sa Pangasinan.
Mag-allocate shooters. Malamang may potential itong mga shooters na nasa loob.
Melencio, naubusan ng oras. Sayang, shoot sana. That will do it.
Yeah, he had the right thing in mind to try and attack conversion para sa Weavers.
Alin Bulanadi, so his respect for these two had always been there and dated years back. And of course, an honor to go against players his dad has nurtured as well. Sa Delphin Coach Mike.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. Just the ties that bind the players. Alam natin na si Lakay Danny Ai has been through a lot. Full circle na yan as a player now, as a coach. Here's Marwin Taiwan. That's a wild shot. Good challenge by Napoles. And Dave Ildefonso knows his place in Philippine basketball. He's one of the up-and-coming stars, superstar in this league. But andun yung respeto sa mga nauna.
Yeah, without doubt. At yun naman ang nagugustuhan mo sa mga attitude ng mga upcoming stars like David Defonso. But this drive though, ibang klase, dire-diretso yun. Wala nakapigil.
Meron ka pala niyan, Bongga Lanza?
Di namin nakita yan ng Game 1. I'm sure hinahanap yan ni Coach Gerson ng Game 1.
Yeah. Definitely did not settle. Doing just enough there, Bongga Lanza, to trouble ito si Enzo Serrano while he took that floater right there. Di Gregorio. Matras muna. Manuel for 3. Rebound nakuha ni Enzo Serrano. Back the other way for Abra. Batino wants it against Manuel. Batino. Yes!
Ibang klase yung setup rin na yun para sa Abra Weavers. Oo, binigay mo yung bola sa poste para sa pinakamagaling na big man mo. Pero patuloy yung kilos ng ibang tao sa kabila. No? Naghahanap rin kung sino pa pwedeng ma-open at makatira.
It just keeps everyone busy.
Agree. Hindi nakatayo lang yung depensa.
Napoles trapped. Manuel attacks. That's a blocking foul. Muntik na, offensive yung hinihingi. Offensive foul ang hinihingi, pero blocking foul at tinawag.
Split second lang ang diferensya nun. Ito yung magandang pagkaka-drive. Jab step papunta sa kaliwa, pero ang linis nung pagkaka-finish sa gitna.
And he was determined to finish. Si Bongga Lanza.
Actually, yung ginagawa na yan ng Abra Weavers, yun rin ang ginawa nila sa kanila ng Pangasinan. Pagka yung bola nasa taas, dalawa pong lumalapit, i-release nila. Yun na yung the drive, yung makakasalo.
They're tied at 18 here. 2 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Galanza gets it to Napoles. Nandun si Batino. Mabulak was open. Napoles. Melencio is there. Blocked by Batino. But keeping the possession alive for Pangasinan was Ian Melencio.
Isa sa mga sinukwento ni Coach Gerson na yan, as you see that block on Ian Melencio, paanong nangyari na ang isang Ian Melencio nakakuha ng rebound against the Giants of the Abra Weavers. Yun ang inihingi niya doon sa mga starters niya in game number 1. Kaya ngayon, parang nagsilbi pang modelo yung ginawa na yun ni Ian Melencio.
It should be motivation for them. Mabulak. That's last touch on Alfred Batino. And Coach Gerson Cabilte sues for time. 18 all early in the second period here in Banguin. We'll be right back. Coach Mike, saan ka to?
Nag-stay kami sa baba sa Ilocos Sur kasi kasama ko yung wife ko.
Yeah, and Congressman J.B. Bernos, Congressman Ching Bernos here as well, and the Bernos family. Maraming salamat for hosting the NPBL here. Very, very grateful. And birthday shoutout kay Kuya Jess. Jess Hinayon, our cameraman.
Ayun,
nagtatrabaho on his birthday.
Niloloko ko nga siya kanina. Sabi ko, ang grande naman masyado yung birthday mo.
Mike DG with a 3.
Wow. If he's not defending, nakakakuha pa ng 3, ano? At ganun siya ka-focus. Doesn't matter.
I think this is a, alam ko, it has, it's more of a necessity, particularly in Game 3 of that San Juan series. But, we all know how Mike DG at his best, we know he can impact this series as well.
Well, what I like about him is yung disiplina niya. He remains focused, hindi not too high, not too low. Talagang dun lang siya sa kung anong pinagagawa sa kanya. And he always listens to whatever's given him by Coach Gerson.
This is the three-point shot brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances.
Pinag-uusapan natin yung depensa ni Mike, pero let's not forget, the guy can also shoot from the outside, which is exactly how he did that 3.
Another miss for Abra, picked up by Mike Mabulak. Well-played game so far for Pangasinan, the number 7 seed. the lowest seed to get this far. What a hesitation move galing kay Alin Bulanadi, met by Gonzalez. Ayon will lay it in. Plus the foul.
And malayo pa lang si Delph, alam ko na Jory Napoles is not gonna allow an easy finish for Mike Ayon.
Nice pass from Brickman to Ayon for our fast break of the game. Brought to you by Extreme X-Play on-the-go speaker. Take your music anywhere.
Wala lang ang naging problema doon. Pumasok yung tira ni Mike, and so may bonus charity pa para dito sa kay Mike Ayon.
Yeah, what a luxury to have if you're Abra. Mike Ayon is also a big-time playoff performer. The former finals MVP in Season 2, won it with San Juan alongside the likes of Jonard Clarito, Mac Macardona, John Wilson, Larry Rodriguez. Manuel, another crossover. Atake si Muscleman. May sumabit.
Pero talagang kita mo si Vic Manuel, even with those couple of crossover moves, talagang intentional na gustong pumasok sa loob ng paint. Kung hindi siya nakakashoot sa labas, titingnan natin kung makapunto sa loob.
Ang maganda kay Vic Manuel, because LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Thank you to LGR. Ang maganda kay Vic kasi he's very comfortable with either facing up or backing down. So kahit anong posisyon, makakuha niya yung bola at medyo may konting spasyo siya, kaya niyang mag-operate at gawa ng paraan.
Yeah, kaya yung crucial na basket niya, I think this is game number 3 against San Juan, yung poste na yon. Hindi mo rin alam kung anong gagawin ni He didn't know where he was gonna go. Take a shot, make a pass, fade away, you wouldn't know.
Banggaan ng mga players doon. It's Gonzalez. Well, Brickman had a floater there but gave it up to Raven.
Well, anticipate niya siguro na pipick upin siya ni Vic Manuel doon sa action na yun sa gitna ng lane. But instead, parang naka-drop coverage o nakababa ang depensa ni Vic Manuel. Inaabangan yung sulpot nito ni Raven Gonzalez.
Yeah, Raven's mom and sister are here as well.
We're traveling all the way here, no?
Yeah.
In full support.
Nakita ka na kasalubong namin kanina sa coffee shop. Alam mo, I'm a local here now,
Oh, yeah,
Coach Mike.
I know. But I think I am too.
Camacho misses the layup. Pangasinan catching a break here. Gabo to Mike De Gregorio. Yun yung mga turnovers na gusto mong bawiin.
Minsan parang naisip mo sana nasimplihan ng konti yung pasa. No? He was fading already to the 3. Mike was ready to catch and shoot pero hindi maganda yung angulo ng pagkakapasa.
Camacho to Raven with a push shot, soft touch. Raven Gonzalez.
At saka bibihira ang mga big man na ganyan tumira. No? Push shot na mataas, halos mahirapang i-block pero ang ganda ng efficiency.
23 years young Raven Gonzalez. Gabo to De Gregorio. Abra with the lead. And they do have the ball here.
Switch.
They go to Raven. Inside! Raven Gonzalez may have been fouled at that play as well. 26 to 23. Gabo gets it to Mabulak. Balik kay Hesed. Manuel will fire the 3. Camacho secures the rebound. Crucial time here for Pangasinan. Abra making its move here in the second period. Brickman. There's Raven. Again. Yes.
Ibang klase.
9 points for Raven Gonzalez here in the first half. This is the assist of the game, powered by 747 Live. Dito ka sa legit. The awareness and the vision of Jason Brickman and that polished touch, a feathery touch galing kay Raven Gonzalez. Abra is ahead by 5. Timeout, Pangasinan. Yes, they are
Yes.
weaving magic tonight. Raven Gonzalez at push shot, baseline. Yan yung kanina pinapractice niya. Maaga pa dito sa gym. And strong enough to finish against Vic Manuel. Raven Gonzalez, spectacular second quarter so far. Game 1 had 8.7 rebounds and 2 blocks. And the J.O. Chu naman, 9-6 and 1. Alam mo, yung twin tower combination na to, batang-bata. Very, mahaba. They have the length. And I think, more importantly, they have that poise and composure beyond their years.
Yes, agree. I was gonna say the same. Yung alam mo yun, yung walang fanfare masyado, talagang simple lang, focused on the game. And more importantly sa akin, they're both sponges na talagang gustong matuto. Ika nga para sa laro.
Vic Manuel with a turnaround, he gets the bounce. That's an important basket because Abra was already getting control of this ball game. 8 points now for the muscle man.
So far, lahat ng mga scoring na nakikita natin nanggagaling mostly sa mga big men itong dalawang teams.
Inside, David Defonso, strong to the cup. Missing the slight up fake. Medyo nawala sa balanse sa pwesto si Mike DG.
Na-confuse yung depensa ng konti.
Ball is loose, picked up by Camacho. Jason Brickman at the controls. Right on the money for Dave, who misses the 3.
But that shot looked good.
Bulanadi to De Gregorio. Mike DG against Simon Camacho. Mabulak. Bulanadi. Manuel will fire. That's off the mark. Had De Gregorio to the right.
Wala silang makuha doon sa mga rollers kasi talagang nakapack yung yung shaded area.
Brickman back out to Ayon. Mike, pinapahirapan ni Bulanadi. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Ayon drives, runner off the glass and in.
Lynn Bulanadi made the mistake of trying to steal. You reach, I teach, ika nga. And yun, naiwanan siya. Magandang floater na yun para kay Mike Ayon.
10 points.
Yeah.
Para kay Mike Ayon in this first half.
Ito yung mga stretches ng game na kailangan talaga. The Heatwaves cannot afford not to have to score in certain stretches.
Yes, absolutely. Here's Mabulak. Inside, Bulanadi. Good answer for Pangasinan. They needed that. 4 points now para kay Alin.
Now, you start building on that. Yung magandang response na yan kay Alin Bulanadi. Simulan natin sa depensa para dito sa Heatwaves.
And they get the stop. David Defonso. Another offensive foul.
Well, it's a fine line, whether that's a block or a charge.
This is the play of the game brought to you by 747 Live. Dito Casa Legit. Your game, your chance, your thrill only with 747 Live.
Gusto ko doon si Alin Bulanadi. Hindi pinanood lang si Mike Mabulak. Alam niya, nasa kabila ako. Nakatalikod yung depensa. Kailangan atakihin ko dito sa kabila. Kaya nakuha niya yung pasa at napaka-easy ng basket na yun.
Inside, Galanza. 2 points. And this is how you stay in the thick of the fight. You gotta stop and then get an easy basket inside.
Kuha na stop. Sagot lang. Balik ulit. Same energy. You still have a lot of game left of you in game number 2.
Only the 13th foul for Pangasinan.
Yeah, impressive. That is impressive. Considering yung depensa nila, maganda yan. Ito yung magandang pass-out dun kay Galanza sa ilalim. Naiwan si Raven doon.
The Abra still up by 3. May timeout tayo. We'll be right back. 3 of 3. Mike Ayon, 4 of 12. Ayon starting this game on a tear. Already with 10 points. Nalagpasan na niya ang kanyang output and we're only in the first half.
At ang nagugustuhan ko dito is yung spots on the floor where he's taking his shots. eh talagang yung komportableng area para sa kanya. And you know, you have quality shots if you bring Mike Ayon to those spots on the floor.
Yeah, Mike Ayon is a proven playoff performer in the MPBL. Actually, part of that San Juan team as well. Na the following season, nung nag-champion sila, stayed around to finish the season in the bubble. Dave Ildefonso, though. And this time, Dave isn't settling for those mid-range Jays. He's taking it strong to the cup. Again, the strength of Dave Ildefonso.
At saka tingin ko na nare-realize din ni Dave na even his perimeter jumpers have not been going in and he's doing the defense a lot of favor. Kaya, atakihin ko na lang. Subukan ko kung kaya nyo akong i-stop sa ilalim. And so far, maganda yung nagiging resulta para dito kay Dave.
7 points para kay Dave. He's 3 of 9 shooting. Fontanilla is in the game for the first time. Ian Melencio has it. Nag-cut si Fontanilla. Layup. Doesn't work. Fontanilla gustong pahirapan si Brickman. Nagpakita si Jay Collado. Brickman bigay kay Dave Ildefonso.
No, he's not settling.
Ildefonso trying to attack the defense. There's a double team. Brickman has it. Finds Ayon. What a pass again. Melencio secures the rebound. Galanza on the move. Bonga Lanza with the spin. And the foul on Mike Ayon.
Well, in game number 1, naturally si Galanza would have passed that already. Pero ito, talagang intentional na gusto niyang tapusin. Sure, nauna si Ian Melencio doon. Might have been a good pass. Pero I think yung mindset ni Galanza ngayon is makatulong sa scoring para dito sa Pangasinan.
Well, again, you go back to that decision from Jason Brickman to give that ball up to Mike Ayon. He knows his teammate has the hot hand. Other point guards would be very, very tempted to take that shot.
Yeah.
That floater there. But Jason Brickman is iba rin ang mindset nito eh. And alam mo yung pasa na sakto, right on the money.
Titira ka na lang.
Sarap paging kakampi eh.
Oo.
Di lang kami same level. Nag-aabot kasi ni Brickman same level. Pero sarap kakampi to eh.
Kami, nag-abot kami pero napapanood ko na lang.
That's an NCAA, US NCAA by the way, assist leader.
Eh, talagang
ibang usapan yun.
Ibang usapan
ibang usapan yun.
Ibang layer, ibang level yun.
There are levels to this, my friend.
Totoo naman.
Ayon already in double figures. Binigay niya kay Dave Ildefonso. Maguliano nakabantay. Ildefonso for 3. No. Melencio with another rebound. Galanza from half court. That doesn't work. Abra with a 4-point lead. But we're seeing signs of life from Pangasinan. A lot of life from 4-point game at the break. We will be right back dito sa Bangged Abra.